These are the These are the flowers that I picked today from my flower garden. Aren't they pretty? They're yellow daffodils. Good morning. Today I'm going to read you a story about Beware When the Elephants Sneeze. This is going to be a good book for you, so listen. Okay, we got to get the pages all straight here. This book is falling apart. The elephant does as he pleases. He blows with his trunk and he makes breezes. And though he regrets, he often forgets to cover his face when he sneezes. But you're not an elephant, are you? You cover your mouth when you sneeze. Here's the elephant sneezing. Piglets are not at all picky. They roll in wet mud and get sticky. Then before they eat squash, they don't bother to wash. And when they are sticky, they are icky. But you're not a piglet, are you? Because you take a bath every day. The owl is supposed to be bright, though he can't learn to read or to write. As a general rule, he's too sleepy for school, for the owl never sleeps at night. But you're not an owl, are you? Because you go to bed just at the right time every night. Gorillas like being around where delicious bananas are found. They eat their fair share, toss the peels everywhere, then they slip and they slide on the ground. But you're not a gorilla, are you? You pick up all the things that you put on the ground after you're finished. The penguin is friendly and nice, but he never will take the advice that he'd feel a whole lot better when a hat and a sweater when he plays in the snow and the ice. But you're not a penguin, are you? When it's cold outside, you can wear a sweater or a coat. You're not like a penguin. He doesn't wear a coat. The leopard is quick on his feet. He hunts and he only eats meat. He passes up plates of raisins and dates, and he won't touch a carrot or a beet. But you're not a leopard, are you? Because you eat all your vegetables. Look at that leopard. He just only eats meat. Alligators just lie in the sun. Exercising for them is no fun. They don't touch their toes. They lift their knees to their nose or join in a marathon run. But you're not an alligator, are you? You like to go outside and play and have exercise. But the alligator doesn't. He's lazy. The horse likes to gallop and play. He munches on apples and hay. But after he eats his favorite treats, his teeth are not brushed right away. But you're not a horse, are you? Because you brush your teeth at least twice a day. Look at the horsey. He must have dirty teeth. Though the road runner's fast and he's strong, he plays in the roads, which is wrong. He'll be awfully tender if he meets a fender when traffic comes whizzing along. But you're not a road runner, are you? You don't ever play in the street. There's the road runner, and he plays in the street. But not like you. You don't play in the street. Sheep like to jump and have races. They climb up to very high places, and they go out on ledges with unsteady edges, and sometimes they fall on their faces. But you're not a sheep, are you? You're careful when you climb. You're very careful, because you're not a sheep. There are a few things as big as a whale. He swims like he's wearing a sail. At times he is known to swim off alone, which could lead to a very sad tale. But you're not a whale, are you? Because you always stay close to everyone while you swim. You don't swim by yourself. Camels are lumpy and tall. They carry things big and things small. And it's easy to tell from their terrible smell that camels don't bathe much at all. But you're not a camel, are you? Because you take a bath every day. Look at that camel. He's all smelly because he doesn't take a bath. Flamingos think sunbathing's fun. They stand on one leg in the sun. And quick as a wink, they turn bright pink. And sometimes they get overdone. But you're not a flamingo, are you? Because you always put sunscreen on when you're in the sun. And you don't get bright pink. Ducks take to water, it's true. They swim beneath the skies of bright blue. When rain comes their way, they still splash and play, and waddle through rain puddles too. But you're not a duck, are you? But sometimes you do like to play in puddles like a duck. Children who follow the way of good health and good safety rules say that they find these rules are wonderful tools to happy times day after day. There's all the animals. And that's the end. I hope you have a good day. And remember, beware when elephants sneeze.